Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, we are going to see how we can export a selected audio in Audacity. You can select a portion, you can just split it in two halves and just export this portion separately and this one separately. So it will be very useful for you. So let's get started. So guys, first of all, this is the clip. I want to show you that I have recorded some different intros within one project that I will export now separately. So let's listen. In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the cash sales in QuickBooks. So let's get started. So until this point, this is my one clip. What I'll do is I will apply the split. I can right click and click on split clip. Now I have defined a shortcut of M here. So I'll use that shortcut, press M. And this is divided now. Now it doesn't matter if you divide it or not. You can still simply select this one and export that as well. But it's ideal to if you divide it. It will be easier for you to make the selection and differentiate it with the other clip. So what I'll do is I'll go to File and use the Export Audio option. By default, you will not see it anywhere here. Just go to Export Audio and here you will choose how you want to export this. Either you want to export the entire project or just the current selection. So I will choose the current selection and let's save it as clip 1 and export. So this is how you export it. Let's listen to it. In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the cash sales in QuickBooks. So let's get started. So as you can see that this clip ends here. It has perfectly been recorded. So I'll just delete this part and then let's move with the next one. Hey everyone. Hey, obviously you need to edit your clip and adjust the audio according to your requirements and then do the export work. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, we are going to see a very important aspect in QuickBooks, and that is how we can deal with customer advances in QuickBooks. So let's get started. So the clip ends here. I will mark it as split and now I'll go to File and click on Export Audio. Now you will see that we are already in the current selection. So that's great. And I'll select the location. Location is also selected. Just I have to change the clip name, which is clip 2. And let's export this. And now we have the second clip. In this way, you can record many audios together and then export it in different clips easily. So guys, that's it. I hope you liked the video. And if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to see the complete training, you can find the playlist link in the description. And with this said, this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.